How to transfer videos from PC to iPhone. First, you open your browser, then go to Google Drive. Make sure the account you use on your PC and on your phone is the same account. After that, find the place of the folder you want to upload. Select the file you want to upload by dragging from File Explorer like this. Wait until the upload is complete. After complete, you enter your phone. Go to Google Drive. Then note the place of the uploaded file. Click the file. Then press the three dots on the top right. Select Download. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded your PC file.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.